Okay, this is the 1971 Chrysler Airtemp Imperial window air conditioner. It's not running right now because it's a nice day, so it's not running today. But we'll show you guys this sucker. So this thing is pretty neat. This is a look at the Tecumseh AJA reciprocating compressor. This one's an AJA, I think it says 7490 ZXD. Double correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Here's a look at the condenser coil. No dings on it, really. Just some of that black stuff, whatever you want to call it. So if you guys could tell me what this black stuff is on the condenser, I mean, that'd be great. I mean, I need some help with that, guys. Here's a look at the condenser fan on this. It's pretty neat, so I mean, I figured you guys want to see it. Now I'm going to pan it, so you guys tell me, pause when you want to see that fan. And also, guys, we're also going to include 3 General Electric air conditioners I found. So, alright, guys. Ooh. Alright, so guys, we're going to spin this one by hand, just for the heck of it. You know, I like spinning them by hand. So yeah, we'll get the other 2 later, guys.